Ever wondered which Greek island would make your vacation dreams come true? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic journey, counting down the top 5 Greek islands that are nothing short of paradise. Each one a unique blend of sun, sea, and culture. These islands promise to leave you spellbound. Starting off on the 5th spot, we have the mesmerizing island of Santorini, a place where sunsets paint the sky in shades of gold and pink, creating a celestial spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Santorini's volcanic sand beaches, like the iconic Red Beach, offer a unique backdrop for soaking up the Mediterranean sun. But it's not just about the sun and sand. Venture into the picturesque alleys of Oya or explore the ancient archaeological sites of Crete, a prehistoric city buried under volcanic ash that offers a fascinating glimpse into the island's past. That's Santorini for you, a heavenly spectacle in the Aegean Sea. Now, if you are a party enthusiast, you'll love our number 4 pick. Let's journey to the vibrant island of Mykonos, a hub of excitement and celebration. Mykonos is renowned for its thrilling parties that continue till the break of dawn and its lively nightlife that keeps the island pulsating with energy. But that's not all. This island is home to stunning beaches where the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea gently lap against the golden sands. The beaches, such as Saru and Paranga, are not just about sun, sand, and sea, but they are also the stages for grand beach parties and music festivals. Mykonos also carries a rich history and a vibrant culture. You can stroll through its quaint cobblestone streets, admire the whitewashed houses with blooming balconies, and lose yourself in the charming maze of the town. One cannot miss the picturesque Little Venice, an area that boasts colorful houses by the sea and iconic windmills. It's the perfect spot to enjoy an unforgettable sunset, reflecting the true charm of the island. Mykonos, where fun and history coexist in a beautiful harmony. For history buffs out there, our next island is a real treat. Welcome to the magnificent island of Crete, a paradise for those who love to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of history and nature. This stunning island is home to the legendary Palace of Knossos, a testament to the advanced civilization of the ancient Minoans. Here, you can walk in the footsteps of the ancients and marvel at the elaborate frescoes that have withstood the test of time. But Crete's historical treasures don't end there. Other archaeological sites, such as the ancient city of Phaistos and the Dictyon Cave, the mythological birthplace of Zeus, offer further glimpses into the island's fascinating past. Beyond history, Crete presents a stunning natural landscape. The breathtaking Samaria Gorge beckons hikers to explore its rugged beauty, and for beach lovers, the idyllic beaches of Elafonisi and Balos offer the perfect spots to unwind under the Mediterranean sun. Crete, a perfect blend of history and nature's beauty. Next up is an island that takes us back in time. We're venturing to the historic island of Rhodes, a gem in the Aegean Sea that seamlessly melds medieval charm with nature's splendor. Imagine walking through the old town of Rhodes, where time seems to have stood still. Every cobblestone, every archway, tells a tale from a bygone era. Surrounded by imposing medieval walls, the town is a maze of narrow, winding lanes, enchanting squares, and historic buildings. Among these, the Grand Palace of the Grand Master stands as a testament to the island's storied past. But Rhodes isn't just about history. It's also home to some of Greece's most breathtaking beaches. Picture yourself soaking up the sun on the golden sands of Sambika Beach, or taking a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear waters of Lindos Beach. Rhodes is truly a place where history meets the allure of the Aegean Sea. And now the moment you've been waiting for, our number 1 Greek island. We've journeyed through sun-drenched beaches, ancient ruins, and vibrant nightlife, and now we arrive at the crown jewel of Greece's islands, Corfu. Picture this: lush vegetation as far as the eye can see, merging seamlessly with Venetian architecture, a testament to the island's rich history. The UNESCO-listed Old Town of Corfu is a treasure trove of cobblestone streets, quaint squares, and elegant Venetian mansions, each corner whispering tales of bygone eras. But Corfu isn't just about the past, it's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. From hiking up the slopes of Mount Pantocrator, boating along the coastline to diving into the crystal-clear waters, there's an adventure waiting at every turn. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or an adrenaline junkie, Corfu is the place to be. Corfu, a picturesque island that truly has it all.
And so we conclude our journey through the 5 most beautiful islands of Greece. I hope you've enjoyed discovering these marvels as much as I have. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and share with those who love to travel. Until next time.